started and do that area behind you. Go back behind you. I actually have to spray back here. But I want you to get this up. All right, go ahead and clean that area. This is the walk-in. As soon as you walk in the stairs, and you'll see we're putting down a Scotch Guard right after this. And look at the difference in the carpet. That's there. That's what hasn't been done. All right, stay tuned. Still in the hallway. Got the rest of it. And then after this, we have the stairs left. We'll be all finished here. Look at that floor compared to these stairs here. You seen what it looked like before. We're using the Orbiter. Same exact process as the other machine you've seen. Does the same exact thing, spins really fast. So that we're able to clean. I'm just gonna clean half the stair so you can get an idea. Very, very bouncy, as you can see. That's half the stair. Half the stair. Alright, stay tuned. We're all finished here with the stairs and the hallway came out amazing. We got the Scotch Guard on the floor here that's already been sprayed. And so that's gonna protect the floor. And these stairs look great. All right, stay tuned for the next cleaning.